Tatum Band. First ride of the year. I'm going to see if we can get to my favorite bush trail. Still springtime here. Oh, it looks pretty dry. Ah. Oh yes, I forgot. Hold up the mirrors. Forgot about that. Oh, a little bit muddy. Still some snow on the ground. Oh, I think I'm going to get wet. Somebody's been back here in a bicycle, four-wheeler. Sometimes they've been on snow on a bike. Oh, snow and ice. Oh, I miss this. I really do. Look at that snow. This is not cool. See the snow. Oh, hang on to it. Oh, so much snow, it's knocking trees down. Oh, that's where all those whoops are. My little whoop track. Not going that way. Oh, I like that bottom end fork. Don't even have to try and the front end comes up. Oh, that's too wet. That's still too wet. Wonder if I can get across here. Usually there's a big lake. Oh, it's not too bad. Usually I come here a lot earlier. A little bit of water. Oh, this is pretty deep. Oh, I'm wet. I didn't want to get wet. That's not good. Uh-oh. Think I drowned my bike. Well, Tatum fans, that turned out to be a lot deeper than I thought it was going to be. Bike just quit. There's my air filter. I took it off. I had a little bit of water in here. I'm going to dry out. Luckily I've got a rag with me. I cranked it over a few times. It still cranks over, so luckily I didn't hydraulic lock it. There's no Kickstarter, so I couldn't go slow. I had to just bump the starter. We'll see what happens. Well, that's awesome. I like that. But I do have to admit, I already fired it up and I did see a bunch of water and smoke come out of my exhaust. Luckily it didn't damage anything. So, I won't be going back that way, that's for sure. I wasn't expecting it to be that deep. Just what happened was it sucked in some water through the intake, and anyway, I'm going to wring out my air filter as best I can, go home, probably change the oil just in case. I'll take a look, see how it looks, see if I got water in there or not. Definitely clean that air filter because she needs it bad. Anyway, that's all. Well, here's my air filter. You can see the water just dripping out of it. I'm going to take it off. Oh yeah, I can see the water in there. That's not good. I don't know if you can see that, but oh yeah, I sucked up water. And I was planning on getting another air filter cover, one with at least I got oil on there, with some holes in there to help it breathe better. I'm glad I didn't, because I don't think I would have got as far as I did. At least I made it out for the most part. Ugh, that air filter needed to be cleaned anyway. At least I got oil and stickies and ugh. That's okay. I don't think I did any internal damage to the bike. That would have really made me mad if I did, but I don't think I did. Now that I got all the water out, I'm going to put the air filter back in. I never remember how this goes. It goes... Ooh, I should probably dry this off best I can. I know water and oil don't mix, but still don't want to suck any water in there. Oh, this is a different video, eh? Nice, beautiful. Still technically spring here, but nice, beautiful day. Not really how I pictured my riding day was going to go, but hey, life is an adventure, right? And this is Adventures with Gatum. Okay, so put this air filter back on. My dirty, ugly hands. All this water around. You hear the frogs? So I wouldn't dare try and rinse my hands in there and try and poison all that water supply. No way. I'm just gonna have to deal with dirty, sticky hands and deal with the consequences after. Da-da-da. So you guys feel free and laugh. Go ahead. Why does that not feel right? Yeah, that's right. You can laugh at my adventures. Leave some nasty comments below. I'll just ignore them or delete them, but some of them are actually pretty funny. I don't mind a little bit of banter here and there. Okay, air filter back on. Put that little thingy up there. That thing goes like that. There, make sure that's sealed right. On a good note, whenever you put these back on, always run some grease, actually in this case air filter oil, on these little knobs, because they will dry out and you end up breaking those. Oh, get rid of some of the water. Oh, she's a dirty girl now. That's okay. Put this on. There's a right way and a wrong way to doing this. I prefer the right way. That's the wrong way. Where is it? I'm usually pretty good at this. That goes like that. That goes up. That goes in. That goes in. Awesome. Just like that. I was thinking about buying new gloves because my old ones, old trusty rusties, they've got holes in them and they're all worn out. But after these dirty mitten hands go in there, I'm gonna have to buy new gloves. This going in the pocket because I don't litter. All right, we're back on the road again. A different way out. I know there's a different way out. It's not as easy or as fun, but I'm not going through there again. I got lucky this time. Oh, happy sound. Happy, happy, happy. Put my helmet strap back on. All right. All right. I'm still very rusty because this is technically the first off-road ride of the year. Ooh, everything's underwater today. I know that way if I go straight it's going to be all swamp. It's half swamp in the summer after a good rain. So I'm going to go this way. Just because. Find the shallow. Oh yeah, look at that, eh? Nice concrete pad. Huh. Now this will be fine. Alright, here we go. 15 minutes getting that moisture out. What I didn't do is I didn't pull the spark plug, I didn't kick it over, I didn't tip it up, get all the muffler or all the water out of the muffler. But I didn't technically sink the bike, I just sucked in some water in my engine. So yeah, it did stall the engine, but all I ended up doing is mixing water and fuel. So I don't think it's the end of the world. The bike is running absolutely perfect. It doesn't even know any different. Anyway, that's it for this ride. Hope you enjoyed it.